Hey guys, welcome back to Darish Zone and another video about the new retro machine 512 gigabytes just released for VIP and DC points. So if you are a VIP, you you can get this great image born of trust and love. This is a song of love and trust, and I'm very satisfied. I know you also are. All my VIP, my knights are satisfied. They recognize that compared to the previous image, there's another layer of polish, and it's a great pleasure for me and people that helped me to make this wonder, this marvel, like Franco Franchi, Auro Mila, and all the talented guys. So this is another version of the default team. It is in on 3 version. And this is the yellow version. It's similar to Cyberpunk 2077. It's inspired, yes, it's the color of Cyberpunk. And also the arts are inspired by cyberpunkish style. I work very hard to choose HD artworks to fit the theme. It was not easy, guys. It was not easy at all. But I like to show you also other themes. Another theme I like is the fluent white, which is inspired by Xbox UI. So basically, why another video on retro machine, the new retro machine, when you made almost 1 hour of super show, because you will see lots of new videos about and this is the fluent. It's totally different mood of team, and of course I needed to restart emulation station. Don't mind about the character on the left side of the screen, because they are made by my USB mini keyboard. I don't know why, but if you don't use the mini keyboard, you don't will see any font and character on the upper left side of the screen. Okay, so other videos will come after, but in this video I want to explain some things that I forgot to talk about on the super show. Nothing bad, because I want to release a lot of videos. First of all, I repeat, you can get this image with a VIP or DZP. You had just to join my Discord. Just look the invite on the video description, and you will join my Discord channel, and there's all the instruction that you need to join the VIP program or the DZP. Let's look at the demo mode. Just assume if a Nintendo game will be picked, I will exit immediately. Like like that one, okay. Bummer. Well, I can show a little the overlay, the fantastic Game Boy Advance overlay. No Nintendo systems on this channel, sorry, because Nintendo doesn't like us, and bummer. So let's roll the demo mode. Every 60 seconds we'll change the game, and I can talk to you when game's rolling. So you just follow my Discord channel. and follow the instruction to join VIP or DZP. If you are interested on all my works and all my assets, you just join the VIP and you have full access to everything. If you are all interested about the Retro Machine Ultimate, you can go with the DZ points, and you will have access to only the Retro Machine Ultimate 512 gigabyte. And let's get this straight. I'm not sell anything. I'm not sell images. I don't sell anything. This is not image sell. I just ask for a donation to support and sustain all the costs I have to create all these works. The cost for a computer, the cost for a storage, for SD cards, for equipment, for hardware. Nothing of them comes free, so I have to pay for them. I have to pay for my cloud space. I have to pay for a lot of things. So you just help me to know to not open my wallet too much. Let's say like that, because I hardcover all my costs, to be honest. But you can help me with some donation to make it lighter. Okay, so keep in mind, I can accept any. I just not sell image. Just remember that it's all donation to help my work. That's it. So if you are interested to help me, and if you want to enjoy my work, you have two ways to do. It still picks what is Ninja game. Okay, or VIP with a more consistent donation, like say like that, or the DZ points, which is a lesser amount of donation. If you are all interested on this image, if you want all my works and all my assets totally open access to all my works, just go with the VIP. Not only with the VIP, you no Nintendo tank. Sorry, no Nintendo. You have also access to a fantastic community. My Discord also have a great community, but there's also the VIP special community where we share more technical tips, and we share more advanced user experience. So if you are interested even on that, you can join the still Super Nintendo games. Okay, you see I'm still rolling the demo mode, so it's important to say that you can just help and support my work and my costs. Otherwise it very hard that I am able to continue the still Nintendo games. Okay, to continue made works like that, because I don't know, the people who got my image know, but if you don't, you have the rights to to be confused about. You have no idea the quality of this work. Nothing else in the world, in the entire world, can provide works to this quality. Just because an image like that was funded by the community, they helped me to buy the equipment, to buy a PI4, to buy a 512 gigabytes SD card, to buy a capture card. They all paid a cost to me. They not comes free. So community helped me to sustain and buy all this equipment and build this dream. Okay guys, it's important. And nothing, no one in the world will be able to provide this quality. No chance. No chance, because I also collaborated with the best creators in the world. Pro graphics, pro musicians. There's custom music made only for this image, and a lot of things. So this is the pinnacle of the PI images. This is not you just have to try and see. So once we're done with this argument, I want to talk about the image, provide you some help, because I forgot on the previous video. So let's change the topic. Let's talk about the resolution. This image comes, it's by default it's set entirely to Full HD. Okay, so every game will run Full HD 1080p, but you cannot think to run Saturn to Full HD resolution. It's just too much. You have to lower this resolution, but I've decided to release with the same resolution for every emulator, because otherwise there's a lot of issues with different settings. Some of you use a monitor, for example, different TV, too much complicated to make all happy. So I've decided to drop off the custom resolution. You had to do it yourself. It's not hard. You had just to deal and learn how Runcommand works. So for example, when you start a Saturn game, when you see the icon of Saturn, just click A or a single button, not important. Okay, I've started the game. Not that was not my intention. I just talking. Okay. You had to be quick. Okay, press any button when you see the icon of the system, and you enter this precious menu. Okay, look this menu. The first value, the first voice, the first option you see, it's about an emulator. You can change emulator there. If you press A, you can choose between two emulators. By default, it's the Libretto Yabasanshi. Then there's select emulator for ROM. You can also choose a specific emulator for a game, or select video mode for the emulator, and this is the most important option, because if you click there you have plenty of resolution. And for example, Saturn must go at this resolution. To me it's very low, you know, but it will help greatly the system. You just choose this voice, this option, and then you launch the game, and will be kept in memory. In that case I will not select this, otherwise my capture card will go nuts. But you have to select launch, and the game will start with a lower resolution and will keep in memory, and you have to do that for every system of interest. For example, I suggest to do that also for PSP, for Dreamcast and other systems. Not much the Nintendo 64, the Nintendo DS, and maybe the Naomi. Do that also for Dreamcast games. The other system you'll be fine at Full HD resolution. But when you set all the resolution for every system, if you want to go back, the Retro Machine comes in rescue. You had to go to setup. Do you remember the Magic Cleaner option? You had to back to Magic Cleaner option, which is one of the exclusive features of the Retro Machine. Once you go there, you had to select Reset Video Modes. If you click this, all video modes will be reverted to full HD, and you have to set again. It's easy, but if you never used those options, you have to be use it to the Runcommand. You have to learn how to use it. Okay, guys, so we will see you on another video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to channel, enjoy join the Discord channel, and we catch up on next video. Bye bye.